Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to show you how can you solve your WhatsApp Messenger audio calling problem. If you feel any kind of problem on your audio calling, if you cannot call from WhatsApp Messenger audio, so what should you do in this tutorial? I'm gonna show you that step by step. So stay watching and keep watching carefully. I'm gonna show that step by step. So let's get started our video. And guys, before starting our video, I would like to request you that if you are new here, please subscribe my channel, also bell button. So guys, first of all you need to open your Google Play Store, and after open your Google Play Store, then search for WhatsApp Messenger. And after that, here you can see this is your WhatsApp Messenger, and you need to check out that your WhatsApp is updated or not. Here you can see your WhatsApp Messenger is not updated. Make sure your WhatsApp Messenger is updated. If you are not, please update your WhatsApp Messenger. After that, you need to let's back. And then what should you do? Just open your phone settings, find out your phone settings and open it now. Here you can see this is my phone settings, and now you need to search for apps or apps management option. So here you can see I'm finding apps or apps management option, but my phone have only apps option. Here you can see only apps. So just open this apps, and after that you need to go manage apps. Here you can see this is manage apps. Now what should you do? You just need to find out WhatsApp. Here you can see this is WhatsApp. Just open it, and now you need to clear data, clear all data you need to, then stop forces. I do it before. So now you need to go permission option. Here you can see permission. So just open it and go media option, multimedia. There you can see, and you need to allow everything like that. You need to allow always everything you need to allow. Okay, after that you need to less back. Then what should you do? You just open your WhatsApp Messenger. Now you can call anyone from your WhatsApp. Then I hope now your audio calling problem is fixed or audio calling problem is solved now. So guys, hope this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for getting more update or new update or multimedia or social media related video. So thank you everyone for watching this.